Hey everybody, Miss M here. We are on a mission to find a bird that just migrated here called the house wren. House wrens migrate from Central and South America, and they're little tiny birds. I kind of think of them as like mice. Oh, there he is. Do you hear their song? Oh, let's see if we can find him. There he is. They sing like that all day. A few minutes ago, I just saw one getting string from my fence post, probably to build a nest. Oh, where did he go? Oh, I still hear him singing. So house wrens are pretty common in backyards, parks. So your challenge is to go out and find the house wren. Good luck, everybody.